And there you have it, folks. Smoked tater tot casserole with chili on top, cheese, sour cream, green onion. Easy, delicious. Guys, do you like smoky flavor? Ladies, do you like smoky flavor in your food? Well, today I'm going to show you, and it's an experiment, I'm going to show you how to add smoke flavor to your tater tots using a Pitbull smoker and the Roto Q360. Alright, we're going to get started here. First thing is I got the basket and I got some tater tots. What I want to do is I want to spray on with a little bit of cooking spray here. Okay, give them a little toss. Spray them again. Now, I have my smoker set at 350 degrees, and it's hot out here, so it's probably going to run between 360 and 375. But I want to fill the basket about halfway. Put it on there. We'll put that right in there just like that. And there you have it. All you do is just pull that handle out and it'll start rotating. I think this is going to come out great. Like I said, you got the flavor of the smoke along with that cooking spray is going to give you a little bit of crunch on those tater tots. And then when we put this together, I'm going to blow your mind. You are going to be wanting this every single day when you see how this looks when it's done. So I'm going to take this over to the smoker now. Back in a little bit. Alright people, here's where it gets fun. We got these cooked down. I'll go ahead and shut it off for right now. Pull this basket off. And just look at those tater tots. Oh man, I gotta try one and see just how good we did. They're hot, they're crunchy. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright. Let's do this. Let's dump those tater tots right inside of here. And this is where we're going to make the flavor happen, buddy. I hope you guys are ready for this, because I'll tell you what, it's good. I got some chili here I just made. And by the way guys, I want to really thank everyone. On my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I'm up to 801 subscribers right now. So keep on subscribing, keep on leaving comments. It's going to help me build my channel. I can keep on bringing great content like this to you. Because this is a lot of fun. If you guys would like to know how I make my homemade chili, what recipe I use, leave a comment below and let me know. I'll be happy to make a video on how I make my chili. But we're going to get the rest of that chili in there. I don't want to miss any bits. None at all. Get them right in there. Alright. Spread it through. See, even a rooster agrees. My chili is kicking. Alright, cheddar cheese. Of course we are going to have cheddar cheese. Now, this is going back on the smoker again. I still have it set for 350 degrees. He agrees. He's asking you to like and subscribe. That, folks, is what I call happy eats. I don't know what to say. It looks so good. It really does. Well, I got some green onion here that I chopped up. Let's go ahead and put that down as a garnish. I was going to wait to plate this up, but I just can't wait. It smells way too good to wait. Oh, God, yes. Look at that. And there you have it, folks. Smoked tater tot casserole with chili on top, cheese, sour cream, green onion. Easy, delicious, fun meal. You can make it, and I'll tell you what, you'll have them coming back for more. Guys, do me a favor. Please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Till next time, God bless and happy eats.